My name is Akash Ugle. Today we are discuss about the blood and composition of blood. What is meant by blood? Blood is the one of the most important component of life. The almost any animal that presence of circulatory system has a blood. For evaluation, perspective blood was scheduled to have rise from the type of cells responsible for phagocytosis and nutrition. Types of bloods. We have seen the blood consists of cells known as from element of bloods. These cells have their own functions and roles to play in the body. The blood cells which circulate all around the body are follows. First is RBCs, means red blood cells, is also known as erythrocytes. RBCs are biconvex cells without the nucleus in humans. It is also called as erythrocytes. RBCs contain the iron-rich protein called as hemoglobin. Give blood its red color. RBCs are the most capacious blood cells produced in the bone marrow. The main function of RBC is to transfer the oxygen from the various tissue and organs. The second types means WBCs, white blood cells. WBC is also called as leukocytes. These leukocytes are the colorless. They have colorless because it is devoid of hemoglobins. It is not contain the hemoglobins. They are further classified into two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. WBCs mainly contribute to immunity and defense the mechanism. Types of WBC cells. There are few different types. WBC blood cells are classified mainly based on the presence of absence of granules. Two types: granulocytes, agranulocytes. We are first discuss about the granulocytes. The granulocytes, they are leukocytes with the presence of granules in the cytoplasm. The granulated cells include the eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. Means granulocytes also classify into three parts. First is eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. We are discuss about the first point, the eosinophils. Eosinophils, they are the cells of leukocytes which are present in the immune systems. These cells are responsible for the infections in the parasites of the vertebrate and controlling the mechanism associated with the allergic and asthma. Second point means basophils. They are the least common of the granulocytes, ranging from the 0.5 to 1% of WBCs. They contain the large cytoplasmic granules which play an vital role in the non-specific immune response to pathogens and allergic reaction by the releasing the histamine and blood vessels. The third point means neutrophils. Neutrophils are the normally found in the bloodstream. Around 60 to 65% in WPCs are neutrophils with the diameter of 10 to 12 micrometers. Then second parts of WPCs mean granulocytes. They are leukocytes with the absence of granules in the cytoplasms. Granulocytes are the further classified into two types. First is monocytes and lymphocytes. The first we are discuss about the monocytes. These monocyte cells usually have a large bilobe nucleus with the diameter of 12 to 20 micrometers. The second point of monocytes, the nucleus is generally half moon shape and kidney shape, and it is the occupies 6 to 8% of WBCs. The most function of the monocytes to migrate the tissue and clean up the dead cells, protect against the pathogens, and move very quickly to the site of the infection into the tissue. Then second point, lymphocytes. Lymphocytes play a main role of producing the antibodies. This size ranging from the 8 to 10 micrometers. They are commonly known as natural kills the cells. Then third parts of bloods. Platelets means thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are the specialized blood cells to produce from the bone marrow. Though only one platelets are produced